Officer Kieran Law Dog and Charles Wallace Hanson IV. The cat's out of the bag on our Second Amendment errand that we had to run.
I feel like
I just had to tell you this, honey. This was worthy of going live. So I go inside Dirty Birds, and this is a monthly visit. And I go in there, and there's a new gal at the register. And she wanted to see my ID. Homeboy came out of the back office. Oh, hi, Lori. How you doing today? And then he takes over the register, shows her, how to get her done real quick. And I said, well, just another day of being extorted money. And another guy overheard it and wanted to know what I meant about that. And of course,
did they get say, this is sitting in your establishment here. So somebody's getting the envelope.
Oh yeah, I can't even.
That shit they don't even want to talk about.
I can't even check in here anymore. Like, this is a business location, and I go try to pull up Dirty Birds. Mm-hmm. It doesn't come up.
Well, we're in Dirty County.
But yet the weird thing about it is, I think my very first live that I did do here, I was able to check in. So we're not giving a greenie out on that anymore because the cat's out of the bag. Here, honey, get a drink. Come on, honey. Get a drink, honey. Charles just wolfed down a General's burger and some fries, and they must have had a different cook because I gave them a real good review last time.
No, it wasn't that.
Today it was not.
I fell down the wrong pipe.
Okay, honey. Anyway, so I go in there, and like I said, I had to shell out another $95 and ask me how my day's going. Well, another day of being extorted, and some guy was looking at me, didn't quite know what to say. And of course, we always tell them, follow the journey if they get their interest piqued. Yep. And the great thing is, pretty soon, which has to do with our next errand, we're going to be picking something up that's going to help people better follow the journey. Yep. And we can't give that away because there's still a greenie on the table about what we might be picking up. But anyway, so I told him, what do you need, honey? None. So I told him, I said, yes. I said, take a look at me. I'm Kern County's most dangerous woman.
Even more dangerous than Superwoman.
I am so dangerous that Caymen Aguirre, the Kern County Sheriff's deputy, he had to file for a restraining order that once he saw that I had a lawyer involved, he realized that
he was way the fuck out of his league.
This wasn't the hill to die on.
Right.
But folks, pretty soon I'm going to have some proof because I can back up everything I say with record, picture, and video evidence.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what they hate. I dare anybody to give me one thing that I've said or done that you'd like proof on.
Wasn't there a pretty damn good example of what you're talking about within the last 2 or 3 days? Something happened to where it shows you ain't beating technology ever. And another perfect example is look all that shit that happened in Newport. Are you fucking kidding me? There was like less than 2 dozen locals in Newport.
How many did they catch?
The rest of them, they snared a bunch of them, and they're finding out some of them are even from Europe, and they're coming here with their little, we got a thing going on over at Newport. Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah, because they're paying them to come over and do their dirty bidding. Shit's been going on.
And look at what they do. This is a perfect example. They're going to use every one of those. They're going to call them children. They're going to use every child against every adult in this whole tangled web they got going on.
Yep.
Because you know what? Those kids are getting older. Law enforcement's getting bolder. And the next thing you know...
There's homeboy that knows me by name.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen it. And the bottom line, we're just trying to finish what's left of our lives and ease on down the road. But I tell you what, anybody gets in our way, I'm gonna huff.
Hey, Paula. Hey,
Man.
Sarah.
I'm gonna puff, and you know who you are. And there's gonna be all gone.
So I told homeboy in there that I'm so dangerous that not only was Caymen and Aguirre scared of me,
Zach Scriven.
and mind you,
Zach Scriven.
that restraining order went bye-bye when he realized this wasn't the hill to die on. But I'm going to have proof that the district attorney's office in the county of Kern was behind it.
Yeah.
I don't give it away yet. Don't give it away yet.
Yeah, no,
Don't give it away yet. But I'm going to prove once again that somebody tried to let Caymen hold in the bag, and when he lost, he went back and said, "I want my money back."
No, and then he went back and got his fucking guns.
And also,
we're gonna share. Now you see
That's
it.
now you see it. Now you don't. That was Caymen and Aguirre.
Give you a little hint. when he got his ass kicked in civil court,
1215 Truxton Avenue. Watch the video. It's on my YouTube.
One thing he never had the balls was to skin that motherfucker. Why? Because he's dealing with men now.
Yeah, not a woman.
Not a woman he can backhand to get her to shut the fuck up.
Backhanding me.
Oh no! No! No, hell no. Yeah, he's So anyway, your little coin-operated judge,
King.
Your
Bradley.
Your coin
And Cooper.
Your coin-operated judges,
Marcus.
and now you got Lisa Marie Patyon. Yeah. Last I heard, she was a little squishy between the.
Honey. Honey, stop it. So anyhow,
if it's sweat, might not.
Caymen Aguirre's not the only Kern County Sheriff's deputy that's petrified of me. What happened to Bradford Frizzell and Senior Deputy Smith that they had to file red flag gun violence restraining order?
They're hiding.
And they lost. And guess who had to pay for that? That's right, folks. Kern County taxpayers.
Yep.
You paid for that frivolous filing. You paid for Kern County County Council.
I think it's time to start the levy process on that money. You ain't gonna sit on that thing and take it with you, because you know what? There's one thing about Charles Wallace Hanson IV that you all start.
We don't leave money on the table.
You're all starting to get to understand how I work, and leaving money on the table is not
that's
how
never
I
an
work.
option.
So anyway, y'all follow the journey. We got some more.
We have our last errand that we gave some greenies out for. What are we going to pick up right now that's going to up our game and make it easier for people to follow the journey?
For a greenie.
And also, there's another.
A greenie.
If you watch our earlier video, there's still a couple greenies up for grabs on that too. Anyway.
We got some business to take care of. You can guess what that's going to be? You own that greenie. Right there.